Hello students, welcome to e-classes of PN Amarse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 3, How Many Squares? Question number 7. Find and write the area of the shapes given below. 1 square is equals to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. In this question also we have to find out the area of the shapes which are given here. This question is similar to what we did in question number 4. Now, the first shape is shape number A. Here also, first we have to find out how many whole squares, more than half squares, and less than half squares are there. So, first we will put a tick mark on the whole squares. So, you can see that there are 1, 2 and 3 whole squares. Now, next we have to find out how many more than half squares are there. We will put a cross on more than half squares. You can see that this is more than half squares. This is also more than half square and this is also more than half square. So there are 1, 2 and 3 more than half squares. In this shape there is no half square. This is a less than half square. We will put a dot over here. This is also less than half square and this is also less than half square. So there are 3 less than half squares. Now we have to calculate the area of the shape. Now area of whole square, as we have counted earlier, there were 3 whole squares. So we will multiply 3 by 1 as I have explained you earlier, that we will count whole squares as 1. So by multiplying 3 and 1 we get 3 centimeter square. Area of more than half squares. There were 3 more than half squares. We will count more than half squares as whole squares. So we will consider more than half square also as 1. So by multiplying 3 by 1 we get 3 centimeter square. Area of less than half squares. As I've explained you earlier in my introductory video that we have to ignore less than half squares. We don't have to count less than half squares. So there were 3 less than half square. We will multiply it by 0. 3 zeros are 0. Now the total area of shape A is, we have to add whole squares, area of whole square and area of more than half square. By adding 3 centimeter square and 3 centimeter square we get 6 square centimeter. So the total area of shape A is 6 square centimeter. The area of shape A was 6 square centimeter. Now we move to shape C. Now here also we have to find out the area of this shape. Here also first we have to find out how many whole squares are there. We will put a tick mark on the whole squares. There are 1 and 2 whole squares. Now more than half square, we will put a cross over it. There are 2 more than half squares. Now you can see that this is less than half square. So we will put a dot over here and this is also less than half square. So there are 2 less than half squares. Now we will calculate the total area of shape C. Area of whole square. There were 2 whole squares. So we multiply 2 by 1. We will get 2 centimeter square. Next, area of more than half square. There were 2 more than half squares. As I've explained you earlier, we have to consider more than half squares as whole square. So we will multiply 1 here. So by multiplying 2 by 1 we get 2 centimeter square. Area of less than half square. There were 2 less than half squares. We have to multiply it by 0 as we have to ignore less than half squares. So now by adding area of whole squares and area of more than half square, we get total area of shape C, that is by adding 2 centimeter square and 2 centimeter square, we get 4 square centimeter. Area of shape C is 4 square centimeter. Now next is shape number F. Here also we have to find out how many whole squares are there. So we will put a tick mark on the whole squares. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 whole squares are there. You can see this is a more than half square. This is less than half square. This is more than half square. We have to put cross on more than half square and dot on less than half square. This is less than half square. This is more than half square. This is less than half square. This is more than half square and this is less than half square. So if we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more than half squares and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 less than half squares. Calculate the area of shape F. First, area of whole square. We have counted earlier that there were 4 whole squares. So we will multiply 4 by 1. We will get 4 centimeter square. Area of more than half square. There were 4 more than half squares. We have to multiply it by 1 as we are counting more than half squares as whole squares. So by multiplying 4 into 1 we get 4 centimeter square. Area of less than half square. There were 4 less than half squares. We have to ignore it, so we will multiply it by 0. 4 multiplied by 0 is 0. Now to find out the total area of shape F, we have to add area of whole squares, area of more than half squares. By adding 4 centimeter square and 4 centimeter squares, we get the answer as 8 square centimeter. So area of shape F is 8 square centimeter. Students, try to solve the remaining sums by yourself. With this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.